truck plowed into a crowd of people during Bastille Day celebrations in Nice, France. These are live images that we're seeing with you for the first time. It looks like authorities have the area right now blocked off right here. We know that the city is on lockdown, and the mayor is urging people to stay home. It's obviously dark here. They're ahead of us. The mayor says dozens may have been killed. At this point, we don't know if this was an accident as we see the flashing lights from emergency vehicles arriving. We don't know if it was an accident or on purpose.